Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, continuing my experiments with the Lionel 52 fire car, and I've got the body pulled off, and this is the chassis. And as you see, it is essentially a powered truck. This is the motor, the brushes are here, there's the armature. As you see, really difficult to get this to turn, there you go. You can see how this works. So it's completely vertical. Helical gear goes into a gearbox to drive these two wheels. The front two are freewheeling. Anyway, just doing careful lubrication on it. It does have a wire for adding a light, although on that rail panzer there's really no place to put a light. But anyway, it's a rough casting, as you see. Pot metal. And the slide is here, and what this slide does is, as you see, two contacts there. This way it's reversing polarity on the main coil. So basically all it's doing is flip-flopping for forward or reverse. So in any case, just wanted to do a quick video on this to have it out of its shell. You can see it running. Let's put it on the third rail there. As you see, so with a platform like that, there's lots of things you could actually put on this. It's surprising Lionel didn't make a bunch of different cars or different vehicles of some kind using this exact same chassis. You could just interchange the shells. Anyway, it is essentially just a powered truck. Because the actual motor itself is right there. That's it, driving those two wheels. The rest of it is basically just housing and made to hold the chassis. But it is, for all intent and purpose, a powered truck. Anyway, I just wanted to do a video of it out of its shell so you can see this thing running. It's really simple, as you see. It's really straightforward. It runs well. That's the neat thing about it. As you see. Anyway, just a quick video so you can see this thing out of the shell. It's really basic. It's pretty straightforward. So two brushes in the top. The arrangement is identical to Mark's, basically, as far as how it works. The placement of the brushes on the armature, three-lobe armature, just like a Mark's armature. And in this case, instead of having an E unit, it basically has a switch powered by this slide. And only two of the wheels are actually powered. So it's a pretty simple arrangement, but it works really well. And it's not made for high speed, it's really low gear. But as you see, it's capable of going fast enough to derail. So I polished the bearings on the armature, pulled the armature completely out, and just take off the top cap here, brushes. Armature just literally lifts out, kind of unscrews actually, because it has a helical gear on the end. And just polished it really, really well. Got all the burrs and the muck and the junk and the oxide off of it. A couple of drops of motor oil, dropped it back together, and this thing just took off. It has never run this well. And as you see, the thing is running really well. It's got more than enough power to derail it. So, a quick video of the Lionel 52 fire car out of its shell, just the chassis and the motor. Pretty straightforward. Anyway, quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.